popped out of there like that. And you want to loosen that before you pull this screw out of here. Pull it off. Pull off one side. Like that. Keep that screw in there. Chop, chop. Alright, let's go, man. This is what I'm dealing with, brother. See this servo arm right here, the elevator or aileron? I don't know. Shut up. Anyway, it's not 90, so you see my threads right there. I'll zoom in on them. They're a little long, but like you said, if I go up on the swash plate, if I bring this arm up, then I can close in these threads here. As you can see, I got these two washout arms pretty good and level there. And then you see this washout arm up there, mixing arm is also pretty good and level. So yeah, I believe, yeah, I'm just gonna bring this servo arm up right there. Damn, I'm good. 13 degrees of pitch at full and low stick. We're at mid stick now. Washout arms are centered. Mixing arms are centered. Beautiful. So let's see, considering this should be tracking pretty good. Next stop, the swash plate leveler. Thanks for watching. He's sexy and he knows it. She'll be going home Tuesday. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for all your help and advice. I'm finished.